Are you looking for ways to make money online that are not scams? Hello, in this video I'm going to talk to you about how to make money using WordPress. WordPress is the largest publishing platform on the planet, and it powers over 43% of all websites. You can use WordPress and blogging to earn money online by doing what you love. You can work from home at your own time, and there is no limit on how much money you can make. In this video, we will share top proven ways to make money online blogging with WordPress. A word of warning: this isn't a get-rich-quick scheme. If you're looking for a way to get rich quickly by making money online, then you're in the wrong place. Don't be fooled by the pictures of expensive cars, mansions, or working from the beach. Every single one of them is most likely a scam and will waste your time and money paying for expensive courses or training that you buy from influencers. Unlike other make money online videos, this is a comprehensive guide on how to make money at home legitimately using the blogging and WordPress system. Many of these methods require some investment of time and/or money to get started. As long as you're willing to put in the effort, you'll reap the rewards. Before you can start using any of these methods, you'll need to have your own self-hosted WordPress blog. We have a guide on how to start a WordPress blog for beginners. The process is really easy to follow, whether you are 20 or 60 years old. Once you've set up your blog, then you are ready to follow this video. Monetize your blog content. When you think of how to make money blogging, advertising is often the first thing that comes to mind. Yes, it is possible to make money with ads on WordPress, but there are also other ways you can monetize your blog content. Here are a few methods that work. Become an affiliate marketer. Affiliate marketing is when you recommend a product or service to your audience using special tracking links and then get a referral commission for every time someone buys after clicking your link. Many products and services online have affiliate programs that you can join. There are affiliate programs available for every industry and niche. If you're interested in getting started with affiliate marketing, you can start by thinking about the products you already use that you may be interested in as well. Then you can see if they have an affiliate program that you can sign up for. You can find a huge list of products to promote in the description below. Once you have selected the products to promote, then you can use a WordPress plugin like Pretty Links to manage your affiliate links. It allows you to quickly insert links into posts, create branded links, auto-replace keywords into links, and even see how each link is performing on your site. Affiliate marketing is the easiest way to make money because you can promote a wide variety of products. Just about every popular store like Walmart, Best Buy, Amazon, and others have an affiliate program. Sell exclusive content. After blogging for a while, you've likely honed your experience on a topic and helped your readers do the same. Another common monetization strategy among experienced bloggers is premium content. Premium content should cover topics within your blogging niche, but offer insights beyond your standard blog posts. If you're wondering what content would provide value to readers, consider one of many possible content types. Exclusive posts, printable blog posts, ebooks, courses. Sell merchandise. Merch is an effective way for loyal readers to support your work and promote your brand. In a similar vein as paid content, you can also sell physical products on your site through an online store. There are many free and paid WordPress e-commerce plugins that can add a store component to your existing blog or convert your site into a store with a blogging component. After monetizing your WordPress blog, you can send traffic to them to increase your revenue. It's easy. All you need to do is write more. Studies show that the more often you update your blog, the more traffic it will receive. Google gives higher priority to websites with fresh content, so if you want to get more attention from the search engines, update your blog at least twice a week. Promote with social media. Share each new blog post across your social media networks, including Twitter, LinkedIn, Facebook, and Pinterest. If you spend time cultivating your networks and share great content, social media sites can become some of your top traffic sources. Retweet past content. When you share a new blog post link, the majority of your fanbase won't see it the first time. Repeat your tweets and don't be afraid to share past content. Readers don't care when it was written as long as it's still relevant. Invite guest contributors. When others write for your blog, you add more content that you didn't have to write yourself. As a bonus, those contributors will also share with their networks and may ask you to write for them, opening up new readership avenues for you. Finally, you can post to your mailing list. Instead of writing all new content for your electronic newsletter, share the first paragraph from several recent blog posts and include a link to continue reading on the site. Not everyone is taking the time to read your blog each week, so this will help get your subscribers invested in your blog. Pretty easy, right? It's a simple process you can use to make money online. So thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. And if you want more, just like and subscribe for more.